Hello and welcome to Picking Principles. I'm finally back and I have a package here today that came from Banggood. I'm going to open her up, see what we got. All right, utility tools for hobbies professionals. Made in China. Okay, well, let's see if I can get into it. Using this diamond pick in 27 thousandths. I'm just joking. Ah, good. So there's an acrylic tubular lock. Oh, that's in there pretty good. And there we have it. Looks like the little Huck impressioning tools. Oh, they're very, very nice. Wow. Let's see what's in the bottom there. Take all three of these out. And it comes with a little Allen key. That must be for here. Some rubber bands. I think that's to replace these. These are tension adjusters, I think. Oh, those are actually quite weak. So that's magnetic and used to reset those pins. They're out a little bit. Oh, these are very nice. And that must be replacement pins in case, oh, that one's already bent, in case I bend them. Well, I've never picked a tubular lock before. Oh. And there you go, pops out just like that. So, it's interesting. The pins all appear to be pretty much the same length. But listen to all of those clicks as it goes by each pin. And you can't get the key out unless you got it oriented properly. And there's the key. You can see the cuts. Oh, they're different lengths. All right, so I don't know what diameter this is. I'm going to try an impressioning tool and see if I can open it with an impressioning tool first. There's the arrow. That must be the upside. So this is the 7.5. This one is 7 millimeter, and this one is 7.8. Oh, that fits like a glove. So I'm pushing in and twisting as I push. And I'm not making any headway there. The pins are down a bit, so they did move. Let me reset them. Okay, they're all back up. Try that again. There's the top of the lock. There's the top of the impressioning tool. And And no go. It must have made some headway because it's stuck. Ooh. Well, clearly you're going to have to practice with this. Let's see. Well, I don't know if I can hold it and single pin pick it. I have this as well. This, for what I consider to be obvious reasons, from Sparrows is called the Mantis. If you look at it, it does kind of look like, you know, the teeth and the eyes and side of the head of a praying mantis. Let's see, how does that even get inserted? Well, not like that, I'll tell you. Okay, well, I can't get tension on it with this right now. That's either because it won't tension it or because I have no idea what I'm doing yet. And I haven't been able to open it with an impressioning tool. I don't even know if that was the proper diameter. So, kind of a waste of time showing you this video. However, I will comment on these tools' construction. They're very sturdy feeling. There's a good weight to them. I don't really understand why they come with these 4 or 5 elastic bands on them. It's got to be for proper tensioning. And who knows, maybe I've got too many on and it's too stiff. And so the little tumblers here are the wire feelers for the lock. Maybe they can't move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I look head on, 1, 2, 3, 4 at the bottom, 5, 6, 7. And if I orient that properly, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, I've got to imagine they would sell you the proper tool to come with the acrylic lock to open, to practice. So I'm going to give this a shot a little bit later. And if I have any success, I'll show you that on camera. But so far, I got to say, just the look and the feel of them, I quite like them. And I do have some old machines that I want to try these impressioning tools out on. And, you know, if I can't get tension on those machines with the Mantis, I'll just pick up a different kind of tensioning tool, or maybe I'll make one in order to get those open. And I figured I'd do it with this pick because it's nice and thin. It's got a decent edge to it. Anyway, unfortunately, that is all I have today here at Picking Principles. But I can't wait to bring you more. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please subscribe. Leave some comments or suggestions, or if you know what these rubber bands are for or how many I'm supposed to have, please let me know. I will experiment, but if anyone has any ideas for me, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.